Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rearrange questions on Typeform. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to rearrange how your form is set up. How do you actually go ahead and do that on Typeform? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first you're going to go into Typeform, then you're going to click on the form that you want to go ahead and rearrange. And then for our example, you can see that I have about 5 different fill-in forms on the left-hand side here. In order to actually rearrange these questions, you can just go ahead and drag and drop the different arrangements. So you can see here, I have a multiple choice option right over here, but if I want to make that last, just drag and drop it to the last option here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and rearrange your forms on Typeform. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.